Hi splendid lovers, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are making this very delicious noodles recipe. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So in your pot you are going to add some water. Cover your pot and allow the water to boil. So once you have your water boiling, you are going to add in your noodles. Cover this and allow it to steam for about 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, we are still going to steam the noodles later. You don't want your noodles to be soggy, so just steam it for 30 seconds and you are good. So after 30 seconds, you are going to remove your noodles, like just drain it and set it aside. So I made some scrambled eggs, which I did not realize my phone was not recording. In your pot, you are going to drizzle some oil and add your minced beef. At this point, you can add any protein of your choice, either fish, chicken, beef, whatever you want to use. You can add it at this point, but I'm using beef. Okay, this beef, I already seasoned it. I marinated the beef with some seasoning cubes, salt, and yeah, that's basically it. That's what I used. So just feel free to do whatever you like with any protein of your choice. So you are going to fry this until it turns brown, like you are going to see the color change, right? So just keep on stirring. So at this point, you are going to add some water. This water is going to help the beef cook properly, and also other veggies I'm going to be adding. Okay, now I'm going to add in my carrot, some chopped onions, which I'll be leaving some so I can add it later on for that crunchy feel. I'm adding my green bell peppers and some scotch bonnet pepper. Give this a good mix and season with your noodles seasoning, just a little bit, so that the veggies would be tasty. Now cover your pot and allow this to steam for about a minute. Once your veggies and beef are steamed properly, you are going to open your pot. Give it one more stir. Now you are going to add in your noodles. Add your remaining noodles seasoning. Now give this a proper mix for everything to combine. Now you are going to add your scrambled eggs. Cover this and allow it to steam for 30 seconds. At this point, you've turned off your heat. Now you are going to add in your remaining onions and spring onions. Mix everything together properly and voila, your very delicious noodles recipe is ready for you to enjoy. This tasted so good. Thank you so much for watching. Please engage on my video, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you can so it can get to more people. I will see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.